Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to run Google Ads for your Shopify products step by step so you can drive targeted traffic, increase sales, and scale your store efficiently in 2026. Google Ads is one of the fastest ways to get traffic and sales for your products. When done correctly, it puts your store in front of people actively searching for what you sell. So, yeah, running ads smartly is crucial for success. Start by creating a Google Ads account if you don't have one already. Link it to your Shopify store for tracking conversions and measuring ROI. Make sure Google Analytics is also connected, as it provides valuable insights into user behavior. Next, choose the right campaign type. Search campaigns target people actively searching for your product keywords, while shopping campaigns showcase your products visually in Google search results. For e-commerce, shopping campaigns are highly recommended. Research and select your keywords carefully. Focus on buyer intent keywords that indicate readiness to purchase, not just informational queries. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant, high-converting keywords. Create compelling ad copy and product feeds. For shopping campaigns, ensure product titles, descriptions, and images are accurate and optimized with your main keywords. High-quality images, competitive pricing, and clear benefits make your ads more attractive. Set your bidding strategy based on goals. You can start with manual CPC or automated strategies like maximize conversions, depending on your budget and experience. Keep an eye on cost per conversion to ensure ads remain profitable. Monitor your campaigns daily, especially in the first few weeks. Check click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROAS. Pause underperforming ads, test new creatives, and refine targeting to improve performance over time. Finally, use remarketing to reach visitors who didn't convert initially, show personalized ads to bring them back, offer discounts, or highlight popular products. This often results in higher conversions at a lower cost per acquisition. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify and Google Ads tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.